Alright guys, welcome to class. So today I'll be showing us how to add sound effects to our videos in Capcut. So firstly, after importing your video, the video you actually want to edit, you tap on audio. So after tapping on audio, the next thing on the list is to tap on your sound FX. You tap on sound FX. So after typing on sound FX, you search any sound you actually want to use, like all these funny sounds you see on TikTok, YouTube. Yes, this is the place you add them. So you're gonna search on any sound of your choice. So let me say I'm dealing with a car, and this car is actually drifting right now. So I'll type on car drifting. Car drifting. Okay, I'll search that. So here is the different sounds. Here are different sounds of car drifting. So I'll just choose any one of my choice. So let me play this first one. Nah, I don't like that one. So let me play the second one. This car is brake. Wow, I actually like that sound. So I'm just going to click on the plus button right here, and boom, you can see it on my timeline right below my video. So right here I have, after drifting, the car is like driving. So I'll just, if I want to add another sound, I'll just go ahead and click on sound effects. Then I'll come over here and be like car speed driving. So I'll just go ahead and search that. So still the same as the other one, I'll just listen to any sound I kind of like. So let me play this one. It's the same thing as the other one. Let me play this one. So I kind of like that one, so I'll just click on the plus button to add it. Okay, so now here is the result. Let me play it for you guys. Wow, this is nice. So since it's longer, the sound is actually longer than my video, I'll just go ahead and split the sound. So I'll delete the other parts. So I'm going to tap on the sound, then I'll click on the split button, then I'll delete the other parts of the sound. So now it actually matches my video. I'll just click on it. Let's it play again. So guys, that's how you add sound effects to your videos in Capcut. So follow for more videos like this. Click the like button, comment, share. Thank you.